How to delete Reddit search history. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete Reddit search history. Okay, so how do you delete it? Now on Reddit, everything you search for saves automatically to the search bar. And what do I mean? Once you are logged into your Reddit application, go to the top right corner and click on the search icon, which is represented by a magnifying glass. And then once you've done that, you will see the search box. Just below the search box, you will see the list of all the things that you've searched for. So in order for you to delete, next to each search query, you can see the X icon, which stands for delete. You should just tap on it, and then by tapping on it, you would remove individual entries from your search history as easily as that, as you can see. So now for me, I have deleted my search history on Reddit. So it's as simple as that, all right? So go ahead and delete that search history now. Thank you very much for watching.